What's up, everybody? Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're gonna dive down into what is known as Deep Shark. So, if you're new on the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos and notification. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So, do it with your own reach. Study this platform. Take your time, and if you think you can generate the best return by buying this meme coin, so it's a perfect opportunity because at the moment the price is quite acceptable, and their consistency on chart you will see, and you will be surprised to see all the details. So let me clear that the detail about that you can see here. So you can see the previous project details. It's plus 1000 177%. Next you can see here 2243%. Next you can see 26,250%. It's quite a huge amount of return you can generate as in their previous project. So my responsibility is to provide you a proper guideline how basically it works, how you can buy that, because each day hundreds of platforms are launching, so it's very important to understand each and everything. And there are a few solutions to verify the project. Number one is to join their community. You will be able to get more information if you join their community, and here are their community. So I will show you all the details. So first we will discuss the main page. You can see here is the king of water, Deep Shark, and you can see here Deep Shark is an innovative meme coin, both with revolutionary purposes is a crypto ecosystem. So next, if you scroll down a bit in phase 2, you can see here 63% raise and buy now. How basically you can buy that we'll discuss later. First we'll discuss the main page. You can see here about Deep Shark. The Deep Shark is the token is not just a traditional meme coin, but it's the asset, a larger ecosystem to unites innovation, security, and appreciation potential. Next, you can see here the detail about the Deep Shark platform, how basically it works, and their reason behind that, how they create that. So meme coin creation details are there. You can copy the address here. The address is given. You can easily buy that by copy that and go back to your trust wallet. You connect your wallet, and you can easily buy that. Next, their mission, all projects as and sort of a mission. So this platform has also a mission. So you can see here Deep Shark innovated meme coin born with the revolutionary purposes in the crypto ecosystem, and with the growing potential of artificial intelligence and AI and blockchain technology. And Deep Shark is positioning itself as the native currency of an AI-based cryptocurrency trading platform, which aims to optimize the increased efficiency in the transaction through advanced AI. Deep Shark enable to investor to have a smarter, faster, and safer trading experience. So these are the benefits that they are providing you. So you can watch all the information why you choose us. So you can see here the details why you are choosing Deep Shark. So get white paper. You can get more information regarding that. And the next you can see here on Twitter, it's very important to study their links on in the project, because they provide you all the detailed updates on daily basis, and you will be able to get more information regarding Deep Shark. So I always request to my investor community that it's very important to study the project, because each day hundreds of projects are launching. Few of them are scam and few of them are legends. So it's very important to understand each and everything. And when you join the community, I'm sure you will be certified to see all the discussion will be going on. So it's quite amazing and perfect way to verify each and everything regarding any sort of project where you are investing. And how basically you can buy that, if you click on here, and you will be able to get more information how basically you can buy that. You need to connect your wallet, and after that you can easily buy Deep Shark tokens and hold these tokens until it listed on major exchanges, and you can generate massive return. And next you can see into the number of tokens you are going to buy. Example 50,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. It's up to you, and you can add your number of tokens here. Suppose I want to buy 20,000, so post 20,000. After that you will connect your wallet, and you will select that which wallet you want to transfer your token, so you can easily buy that, right? So this was the detail. And next, once again I'm requesting to all subscriber and investor community, please don't miss to join their community. It's very important to join their community, and you can get more information regarding Deep Shark. So hope so you briefly understand, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding all the project that I promote. So wish you best of luck, guys. We'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.